Hi, I'm Charlie Riddle, Global Beauty Director for Stila Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to reintroduce to you Stila's iconic liquid eyeshadows. For over 25 years, Stila has led the industry in innovative products that perform as promised, and our liquid eyeshadows are the true embodiment of that idea. Stila's unique, first-to-market formula is water-based to prevent irritation and dryness around the delicate eye area for a comfortable all-day wear with minimal fallout. By blending together multi-size glitter, multi-size pearl, and a magnificent metallic pigment, Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow creates a stunning, prismatic effect on the eyes that is guaranteed to mesmerize. Featuring a built-in primer, there is no longer a need to use glitter glue or prep the eye area before application. Simply use the custom dofa applicator to place the product on the eyelid, then blend with fingertips or a firm synthetic brush to achieve your desired effect. Alternatively, to create a glitter liner effect, simply turn the applicator to the skinny side and precisely place the product along the lash line. Try this when you want to create an elevated makeup look that is perfect for any occasion. Finish with a few coats of mascara and you're good to glow. Shortly after the launch of Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, we added to our collection by introducing what would become an instant classic, our Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Shimmer and Glow gives you the same stunning metallic sheen, partnered with multi-size pearl for an effortless, ethereal effect. The only difference is there are no glitter particles, so you get a less glittery but equally captivating look. The water-infused base ensures a quick dry and optimal shine, so you're left with a long-lasting shimmer that stays put. While Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow works fantastically as a standalone product, it also functions as an ideal base for our original Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Due to the similar base formula, these two makeup must-haves layer together beautifully. You can easily create a monochromatic look by choosing similar shades in each formula, or go bold by pairing contrasting shades to create a complementary look. Your options are endless. No matter how you choose to shine, Stila's family of liquid eyeshadows is sure to bring out your creativity and inspire makeup looks as authentic as your signature. Thank you so much, Ulta Beauties, for your time today. I hope you enjoy Stila's liquid eyeshadows as much as I do.